Dumelang Landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. And it's cockering. Guys, I'm so happy with everything, right? Okay, the child is born and the child was named Uvulindlela. Aye, vele uyayivulindlela, sijabulile sonke. But now the other part, guys, that made me teary, that made me want to cry, excuse me, is the love between Umvelase, Uzamcolo, Nkosam, Nonomafu. Like, I was so emotional. It was as if one was in a foreign world and then the other one just came back and now they are reuniting and then they are building up this thing. Yo, guys, they did not eat physical food, but spiritual food was like on the platter. They did what needed to be done that could not be done for the past 3 months. Like Uzamcolo uyamthanda umkakhe, guys, no one can convince me otherwise. But with that said, they introduced the child to the church. The church was so happy. Ukajeni uze wathenga inkomo, like a whole cow. He bought a whole cow and he was like, no, you guys are bringing so little presents, like so small gifts to what is supposed to be our mkhululi for tomorrow. But the ceremony was beautiful. The ceremony was perfect. Even at home, they were home cooked meals. Like you could see the preparation is preparationing. Like things are thinking is, I can't say because they are correct English or what, but things were falling in line and things were happening as they should happen. Ngapha ke uGatsheni naye apope, even if upope illegally. KZN Waters was grateful, and then one of the council gave them water, was going to give them water for free, and one of the council people gave him an idea that he stole uGatsheni and was wasebenzisa nomntanakhe, meaning ukuthi they are planning to make money out of this whole thing. Right, because Ukajeni was like, look at this paper. So I'm thinking today they'll be discussing how exactly are they going to chow imali yomtudia. But while they're chowing imali yomtudia, Uzamcolo is grateful. Uzamcolo, guys, uhambise inkomo ezi2 ezisi-dudla. Like he literally bought 2 cows and took them kabom nomafu, just as an appreciation, just to say thank you to abantu baka to say, hey, siyabonga wala siyabonga nje ukuthi hey yazi nilwile siyabonga phakathi ngithi yo guys, can I not get a Zulu man? Guys, in the next lifetime I'm definitely dating a Zulu man. But Unomafu was also happy, was also excited. Ngapha endlini, people are not able to eat because they can't eat before Uzamcolo enters the room. Umalume wathi, guys, today we are going to eat. You're not going to wait for Uzamcolo because Uzamcolo lembize engimnike yona imenza ukuthi nje ashaya ama-spinning kick anzima kabi. So Ugai will not be coming to the bedroom anytime soon. I was like, yo, guys, it's like it was so romantic. But yeah, that's what happened in a nutshell. And I'm sorry for not being here, but I'm back with the bang. The long weekend was weekending. This is your girl, Disebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.